Great, Mark Boney. As you can see, we have some sheep right here in our Microsoft Word document right here. What we wanted to do, how to group these shapes, right? If you notice, these shapes can actually move. We want to group all of these shapes, right? Very important. So first, we're going to highlight one. So we're going to hold on the Control key and you click all of them. Notice that's the highlight all of them, or you can click the first one and then you click on the Shift key and do the same thing, just like that. Now you're going to go up to top. If you notice right here, it's a shape format, picture format right here. Now when you click right here on shape format, you're going to come all the way right here. Notice it's arranged. So this is self. Is when you click it, going to group them like that. If you notice everything together, you can put the cursor right here and size it down just like that. Very important right there. That's how you actually join it. You notice if I copy this one right here and I paste it right here. Let's see, notice. Let me box in that. All right, notice this is another one right here. So if I want, let's say I want to group them, what I have to do again is just hold down the Shift or the Control key and just click. You notice two of them highlight. You come right up here, so the shape, and then you go right here, arrangement, and just click group. If you notice, this is your actually group shape. We can actually carry it in if we want. Here we can use it and rotate it just like that. Very important. So this is our actually group shapes right here in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching. See you in the